There is no need to touch those settings. Once we set it, don't touch it. This is a beautiful piece of kit. It's not like what you see in a normal regular inverter that you plug in that does nothing. Our inverter, you say, oh my God, it's just a 2 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt inverter. It's very different, it's very special. It's got charger, it's got power tracking, it can control the power levels of the batteries, it does everything, full bells and whistles. Even if you're using priority on the mains, you have a mains cut, within the cycle it will switch over. So it's very special, something different. And as I explained before, the output here, so what we've got on here is the output. We've got an input feed here, so this is the input feed. This is the mains coming in off the switchboard, and this is the output, which we're actually using this monitor here to monitor, and the output of that power actually goes into the consumer unit that we fitted down here. So the output of the power goes into the consumer unit, it's fed into this RCD here, and the RCD then, we've actually got 2 units on. In fact, what we're doing is we're powering sockets here and we're powering lighting here. So that what later on, when the electrician comes back, and they will tidy all of this up, and then he can then choose what circuits he wants to add to here, and it can go on here. This unit here is the feed in. So we've only got 10 amps, so we need to be careful on how we balance. So you can't just load everything up. Because just thinking, we're actually running at 60. We measured the current that we've got, so 2,000 watts, 60, the maximum loading that we can put onto it. So we actually suggested putting a 16 amp. So we can feed from here. So we've got current, I think this is a 20 amp limiter because this is cabling size. So we've limited the protection at 20 amp from here on the in. So this is protecting the input, and this is the output. So that's the system. It's a very simple system. Most competent electricians could wire it. Wouldn't actually wire it the way this is wired. It looks a little bit like a rat's nest, purely because it's been done as a demonstration. So it's a demonstration type unit. Normally we put the cable in harness. Keep the cables plenty of air, especially the battery cables. Keep the inverters close to the battery. I wouldn't normally run the inverters more than maybe a metre away from the battery supply. So this is a little bit far away, but it's fine for demonstration. But normal use, I would keep it short and short. The reason the longer you keep it, these cables will get warm, they'll get hot. So you feel a little bit, it's slightly warm now. It's not too bad, but as you increase the loading on the cables, then it will warm up. So that's it, that's the system. So thank you for looking at the tube. This is, by the way, this is Steve. He is the Managing Director of the Philippines, and so this has been, so this is the team here, and I'm sure we're going to see plenty others, and we'll get some videos, hopefully if we've got one of the systems fitted into the province rather than sort of Metro Manila. So thank you for looking at the video. Thank you.